Becoming parents soon? That's a great news! Your small world into this big world. Parenting teaches you many things and make you more responsible towards your family. As a father, you play a crucial role even before your baby is born. So in this particular video, I'm going to share with you the 5 tips on how to support your partner in pregnancy. This is a series for that. This is a part 3. After watching this video, definitely go and check part 1 and part 2. I have mentioned the link in description box below. So stay tuned. Moms and cuddly babies, welcome to ICAREBABY. Myself is the same. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from ICAREBABY. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest and Instagram. Help ICAREBABY to reach out to 10,000 subscribers. Number 1. Cleanliness and hygiene. Yes, now as a father, your utmost responsibility to keep the home clean and maintain a good hygiene. Well, some of you may not agree with me that it's your responsibility. You will say it's a responsibility of women to keep the home clean. Well, I would say it's a responsibility of both, and it will be more on you when your wife is pregnant, because during her pregnancy, she should not work or smell the hazardous cleaning chemicals as well as work in dirt, because it's going to affect on her health as well as baby. So if not 100%, then at least help her to keep the home clean as well as tidy. So sit together, prepare the list of things to clean, make a cleaning schedule and work on same. Number 2. Readiness. It's a whole new experience for both of you. So gather as much as information, read good books, articles on pregnancy, talk to the new parents in your family as well as in your friend circle, go for childbirth classes, as well as you can watch the ICAREBABY, which has a bunch of videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care, and enrich yourself with the knowledge as a parent. Number 3. Be her guide or motivation. It's good for pregnant women to keep herself fit, so doctors do recommend to do the yoga or exercise when it is appropriate for her to do so. So regularly do exercise or yoga along with her to keep herself motivated. Go for a walk together and help her body to prepare for normal delivery. Number 4. Preparing nursery. Welcoming your newborn needs a lot of planning, energy as well as time. Preparing your nursery as well as looking for the baby's safety should be on priority before baby arrives. So start searching for the nursery inspiration that will fit into your requirement as well as in budget. Check out my video on how to prepare your home for newborn. I have mentioned the link in description box below. The most excited, awaited and discussed topic is baby registry. Yes, preparing a baby registry is a huge task. So start searching for the products like strollers, car seats, clothes, dresser, etc. online as well as by visiting the shops. It will help you to narrow down your search for the products which you would like to buy finally. So have a good discussion on the things you like and willing to buy with your partner and decide together. ICAREBABY has a bunch of videos related to the baby registry must-have, which will help you to understand what you need in your baby registry as well as what to look for while buying those products. I have mentioned the link in description box below. Your active participation in all the aspects as a parent will definitely make her happy, as well as this is the best gift which you can give to your pregnant wife. To all the dads, if you have any questions related to parenting, then definitely mention that in comments down below. I would like to answer those. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from ICAREBABY. Till then, ciao!